Shib's market cap drops by $2 billion as the number of deals on Shibarium network hits new highs. Shibarium is a Layer 2 scaling solution that aims to improve the Shiba Inu environment. Just a short time after the network was turned back on, the number of transactions hit a new all-time high. My name is Ketchel, and I help teach people about money, investment, and personal finance. If you want to improve your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the station and hit the like button if this video was helpful. Shib's market value dropped by about $2 billion at the same time as the new high. Shibarium Skin, a Shibarium network tracker, says that the number of transactions on the Shibarium network has passed the 2 million mark and is now at 2.32 million. The average number of daily transactions is now close to the 200,000 mark. The rising action on the cryptocurrency's Layer 2 scaling solution doesn't seem to be attracting investors, according to market data. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency at the center of the ecosystem has seen its market value drop from $6.15 billion to $4.2 billion in 30 days. The Explorer says that Shibarium's network has already completed more than 600,000 blocks, and more than 1.2 million wallet addresses have been made. Lucy Shib, who works as a marketer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, says that the network ShibaSwap, a decentralized trade built on the Ethereum network, gives out better bone rewards than Shib, the main coin of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, is a community-driven, decentralized currency that runs on the Ethereum blockchain and came out in late 2020. It has become a worldwide trend and can be used as a way to pay in many places, either directly or through services run by third parties. Another token in the environment is Bone, which only has 250 million to go around. Bone gives the Shib army a voice in the project's future by letting them vote on different ideas through the PUP decentralized autonomous organization. Bone is also the main native currency on the Shibarium network, which is a blockchain platform made by the Shiba Inu team. The ecosystem also has a token called Leash, which has a limited amount of 107,646 and gives supporters of the ecosystem special benefits. No Price Moon Promise, one of Shiba Inu's future projects, is about the growth of ecosystems. Shiba Inu's future projects will focus on improving the ecosystem rather than making prices go up. Lucy, who is in charge of marketing material for Shiba Inu, talked about projects like Bone Contract Renunciation, ShibaSwap 2.0, and more. Shiba Inu's dedication to the growth of ecosystems. Shiba Inu is a well-known digital currency. It recently talked about its future projects and made it clear that it is committed to building a strong ecosystem instead of promising price moonshots. Lucy, who is in charge of content marketing for Shiba Inu, went on Twitter to let the community know what was going on and to encourage them to think about more than just market costs. Breaking a bone contract. The suggested bone contract renunciation is one of the big ideas that Lucy talks about. This move is focused on the market and has the ability to have a big effect. Contract renunciation is basically giving up ownership of the bone token contract, which turns it into an entity that can't be trusted and is completely open. Importantly, it means that the person who made bone loses control of it and can't make any more tokens. Some people think that the reason Bone isn't on big exchanges like Binance is because of the upcoming contract renunciation, even though it already trades on other top-rated centralized exchanges. Lucy also talked about ShibaSwap 2.0 and what comes after it. She also talked about future milestones in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as wider token support and lower fees. Lucy also talked about other Shiba Inu-themed goods like the Tree token, Shiba Hub, and the Metaverse. She gave a hint about when they would be available by saying, "When it's ready." The value of being patient and working together. Lucy told the Shiba Inu community that change takes time, so they should keep a positive attitude and work together. She said that growth might be slower if people don't work together and have a good attitude. Lucy's message shows how important a group of people who help each other is in the cryptocurrency space. Promise of no price moon. Lucy drew comparisons between the new projects and the Shibarium project, pointing out that the goal of both is to improve the Shiba Inu environment, not to raise prices by a lot. From her own mouth, Shiba Inu may soon hit a roadblock, but here's where it stands. Right now, Shiba Inu is in the spotlight because people are looking to see if it can beat its next major resistance price level. Shiba Inu is worth 724 on spot exchanges at the time of this writing, after a small drop of 0.84% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu whales do big things. Is the next Shib rise coming up? In this short amount of time, a huge 2.1 trillion Shib tokens changed hands. Crypto whales are usually the ones who make these huge trades, which are often worth more than $100,000. These are people or businesses with a lot of cryptocurrency. People are wondering if the big whales of Shiba Inu are buying more tokens in case the price goes up. This is because the number of big deals has gone up recently. The fact that big holder net flows have gone up by a huge 283% in the last week is proof of this idea. Price behavior often tells a great story in crypto trading. Shiba Inu has been going down since August 12, when it was at its highest point of 130, but there are signs that it is going up again. It got back on its feet when it hit a low of 696 on September 11. Since then, it has been going up and down. As of the most recent information, Shib is selling at 723, which is a small drop of 0.23% in the last 24 hours. But the coin has shown promise by reaching highs of 728 during the day. If this trend keeps going up, the next goal for Shib is at 779, and then the important daily moving average, MA50, is at 844. This exchange is the most recent one to handle Shiba Inu, Bone, and Leash, some of the memicons that have been popular over the past few months. Several coin exchanges have become interested in Shib, Bone, and Leash. Australia's Grovex is one of these types of marketplaces, and it just added the assets to its website. Shib, Bone, and Leash are now available in Australia. The news was shared on Twitter by a cryptocurrency exchange, which said that the three popular memicons are now available on its site. It also said that it was a pleasure to help the Shiba army, a group of investors who are really invested in the success of Shib. In the paper, Kusuma talks about the Shiba Inu state, which he says is all about sharing success in a world that is becoming more decentralized and giving people more power. In this state, digital ideas and real-world ideals like fairness, technology, being open, and working together come together. The paper then makes it clear that this isn't just about getting things done quickly, but also about being strong and successful for a long time, even for people in the future. The paper also talks about its law, which is also called the K9 Code. It has 22 rules that the so-called Shibizans should follow. In the paper, it says that dedication, unity, and service are highly valued. Shibizans, the people who live there, treat each other with care and promise to work toward collective ascent. Thanks for coming to watch. Remember to like the movie and follow my channel. We'll talk again in the next film.